Hello everybody, my name is Goose and today I'm going to show you how to fix a blender. And firstly, I want to thank you for taking interest in the right to repair things. So how I got into the situation was that I was making some carrot soup and the blender just threw out some smoke because it was overdoing itself. What I found out the issue to be was this thermal sensor that overheats at 115 degrees, and that's the main issue. For the spare replacement part, I paid about 250, including shipping. Or you can also get them from Europe, but the shipping is going to be more pricier. And generally, for your blender, there might be different types of issues. Mine was the overheating, and generally, that is one of the main issues for these blenders is that they overheat. Your blender might vary in what kind of a component is broken or missing. I would highly suggest you take your steps and find the causes, the issue, step by step. For example, check if the rotor is spinning, and if the rotor is not spinning, like you can slowly start opening it up and seeing is there anything inside clearly burnt or like smoked, or is there some defective parts or maybe some loose cables. And if you find those issues, fix those. If not, this is like the last resort, basically. Yeah, changing the thermal sensor. And yeah, basically I found the sensor, then I removed it, and now I have clamped it together. I cannot solder the wires because internet told me that I cannot solder them. I have to clamp them, which means just like sticking both ends in and clamping them together with metal cramps. I think those were called. So, anyways, yeah. Additionally, I had to use Kevlar tape. I believe that's the name of it. Basically, to thermally insulate it and electrically insulate it, so it doesn't like catch on fire or have a short circuit anywhere. Once that was good, I reattached it with the zip tie like it originally was. So originally there was this like Kevlar type of sleeving for it. So I didn't really have anything like that. So I used this tape. And then before assembling, I actually tested the motor to see if it works. Be very careful with that because you don't want to have any cables tangled anywhere. So test if the motor works. For me, it did work. So proceeded with the assembly. Please remember where your bolts are and like take a video of you disassembling it when you do, so you know how to replace your own one. And yeah, as you can see, the blender now is fully functional and saved from the bin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you another time.